Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we are doing an uprocking variations tutorial. Now I'm going to teach you 3 different variations today. We're going to have a top rock variation, an Indian step variation, and a go down type of pin drop variation is what we'll call it, yeah? So 3 different uprocking variations. Let's get straight into it. So the first one is a top rock variation. So it looks like this. Yeah, so your basic top rock is just stepping across on each side. This one, you do 3 in a row on the same leg to rotate it round, yeah? So what we're going to do is start with our left leg. So you can start with a jump if you like, or you can just step it in, but we're going to start with a jump. You want to step that left foot across for a top rock. Now you're going to aim to either shoot it towards the back or out to that side. I like to go towards the back, will be 1 point, and then I'll be back round here, yeah? So you want to step that left foot across. You're going to pivot on that right foot that's already down, bring that left foot up. Step it out towards the back as a top rock, and pivot again on that right foot, left foot up, and step it back out, yeah? Obviously with your arms, you can do what you like. For me with this one, I jump it in, I bring my arms out to here in the first one, the second one I'll bring them back across, the third one I'll bring them back out, yeah? So we jump it in, left foot's coming out, in, step it out, in, step it out. And then you'll go on the other side, so jump it in, right foot is going to step across a normal top rock. You're going to bring it in, pivot on that left foot as you step it out, and bring it in, pivot on that left foot again as you step it out. And again, arms you can go in, out, in, you can keep them out wherever you're feeling, yeah? So just on that right foot, so you want to jump, right foot comes out, and out, and out. And you want that to be on the 1, 2, 3, yeah? So it's on the jump, 2, 3, 4. Jump, 2, 3, 4. That's your timing, yeah? So nice and slow. So let's go with left foot coming across first. We'll go 1 round, and then right foot come across. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, top, 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 and jump, top, top, top. Yeah, so it's just 3 steps to pivot you round, hit that top rock out, both sides, yeah? Make sure you guys stick along till the end, because at the end we'll do all 3 variations with the music, so we can get on in time with the beat, yeah? That's the first one done. Top rock variation, nice and easy. Next one is an Indian step variation, so it's a continuous Indian step that looks like this. Yeah, so this one, you're hitting an extra step and you're rotating it round. So, how are we going to do this one? We'll start out with left foot. Now, if you do not know how to Indian step, this one might be a challenge. If you don't know, check out the links in the description for all my breaking playlists and tutorials. You'll find them there. Learn the basics and then get onto these, yeah? But what you're going to do is you're going to kick that left foot in front, then right foot in front, then hop onto it. Normal Indian step. Now what you're going to do is that left foot's going to step back, step right foot back, then you're going into an Indian step again, same side, then step that left foot back, right foot back, Indian step again, to finish it out here. Yeah? So if I do it slow, it goes left, right, step left, right, kick right, left, step left, right. So you're kicking left, kick right, bring it over. Now you want to step that left foot back, step that right foot back, and you want to kick that right foot, then bring that left foot over, step left foot back, and then hop it back. Yeah? So you kick right, left, step, step, then you're stepping right back, kick left, then kick right, you step left down, then bring that right foot over, step left back, and down. Yeah, I'll do it to the side so you might be able to see a bit easier. So it's 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, step. So all you're doing is an Indian step, and you step that foot down that's already up, you step the other foot back, as you kick into another Indian step. Then again, foot that's up, step it down, and step the other one back to kick that foot out into the Indian step. Yeah, so we'll go on left side first, and then on right side. So on your left side, you kick 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yes, now on the other side. So start with our right leg. So this one might be kind of confusing, don't worry if you need to, rewind it back. So you're going to kick right leg, kick left leg, bring it over. Now you're going to put that right leg down. Now you're going to step that left leg back as right leg kicks forwards into your next Indian step. 1, left leg up, across, step right leg back, then kick that right leg up as left foot steps back, into your next Indian step. So again, I go to the side. So starting with kicking your right leg, it's kick, 2, 3, and that right leg steps down. Left comes back, kick, 2, 3, right leg steps down. Left leg comes back, kick, 2, 3. Yeah? So on that side, we're going 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Nice. There's your Indian step variation. Okay. The last one, which is a pin drop variation, so your normal pin drop, you'll hop and bring it in. This one, we're switching and coming in and down. Yeah? So what you're doing for this one, is you're going to bring your left hand down, your right leg is going to come up, right hand comes down, left leg comes up. From here, right leg comes down, left leg is going to tuck in behind and pin drop down. Now you can end it there, you can spin up and out, you can spin and stay down, or wherever you want. So I'll go again. So left hand comes down, right leg comes up, right hand comes down, left leg comes up, right leg comes down, left leg comes in behind, turn, and spin it up. Yeah? Nice. Okay, quick recap. So the top rock variation, we went jump, tap, 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 jump, tap, tap, tap. Then the Indian step variation was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In the pin drop variation, we kick down and behind, and then if you like, turn it up. Okay, good. There's your 3 variations. Let's go with a beat. Okay, let's do it. I'll count us in. Top rock variation first. Let's make it big. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rewind it back, learn them slow, try it with a beat. Apart from that, well done guys. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dancers Dope family, hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with all the uploads. If there's anything that I'm not doing that you do want to see, anything that you're enjoying, or anything you want to say about this video, leave a comment down below. I do reply to every single comment that I get. We are nearing that 1,000 subscriber mark, so I do appreciate all you guys. Check out the links in the description. I've got playlists for moves, routines, all sorts of good stuff, yeah? Apart from that, I appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.